Alright guys, so here's a fun April Fool's prank that you can do with only a pair of scissors. If you want to make it even better, use a zip tie. But we're at the garage. If you have a garage door opener, specifically a Liftmaster or a Chamberlain branded, any other brand will not work. And to find the brand, you just look on the side of the opener, it'll be right there. But one little prank that you could do is with the release latch on the garage door opener. If you in an emergency, you take it, you pull it down, then it's disconnected from the opener. You can lift it by hand, but I'll show you a fun little prank that you can do. Let me just set the camera down somewhere. Alright, so with this pull, you could lift the door relatively easy by hand. Little fun prank that you can do. If you have scissors, just cut this off. Don't cut too much of it off. I already tested this prank once, so I'm just gonna undo the knot. If you can, just undo the knot on here. Pull the handle off. Sit down somewhere. Now here's the fun part. Stick this end through. You may have seen some people put the release latch something like this, just to tuck it out of the way. Let me just reconnect this, if I could. Oh, jeez. Reconnecting is the hard part. And this will help to remove the bar. Or not. Yeah, this is a really hard part. I'm not bothering to edit this video, so damn it. You know what? Turn around the opener. Easy things to do. There. I'm an idiot. But you take the latch and thread it through one of the holes, preferably the furthest hole. Put some tension on it, but leave it just a little bit of slack. Then tie a knot right there. There you go. Now when the door opens, boom, it releases. And just to make it look like normal, put the handle back on. Let's tie that on. Be sure you tell them that you tucked it out of the way, just to make it a little bit easier for them before they actually go and test out their garage door. Because they'll notice right away, so you want to tell them that you're being kind. Then, there you go, that's what it looks like. I did it on the bottom hole. You'll want to do it on the furthest hole away. So let's press the button. Boom. It just disconnected. That's an easy prank that you can pull. See, boom, it's reconnected. It's an easy prank. Now I have to undo this because it's not April Fool's Day yet. But it's just a little easy prank that you can do with, if the knot is too tight, use scissors, but other than that, no materials. So, there you guys go. I'll give you a close-up of this. There's the knot right there. Pull through that last hole. You may want to do it on this hole if you don't have bottom holes here. And you want to do it on that hole. Pretty much the furthest hole away from here. You do not want to do it on the closest one. All right. There you go. Now I have to undo this, so yeah.